Free channel. In today's video, I will show you how to limit app on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Counter to the development of ever more invasive tracking system, Apple has taken a strong privacy stand in the last few years. The company has doubled down on their stringent Apple Store review process, introduced more privacy-related notification in Safari, and urged everyone to put down their smartphone altogether more frequently with screen time. In this video, I will show you how to limit the apps on your MacBook. So how to do it? So first of all, you can open your system preferences on your Mac. Now you can go to Screen Time. Click on Screen Time. You see there is an option App Limits. We can turn this on before we turn on the screen time. So before you turn on the app limits, you can turn on the screen time first. You click on Options. Click on Turn On. So now you have turn on the screen time and your MacBook is enabled. You can go to App Limits and you can see in here we can just turn on the app limits is on your MacBook. So if you want to add apps on the app limits, you can just click on plus icon in here and you can just choose on the apps that you want to limit. Maybe for the example, you want to limit for games. You can choose on the games and the social. You can choose the time range. Here, maybe 2 hours every day, or you can custom in here. Only on Sunday or Wednesday, but I will just choose on every day for 2 hours. So simple, right? After that, you can just click on done. So now you have limit these apps 2 hours every day on your MacBook. So simple, right? So that is how to limit apps on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.